So it's time for me. I've been doing this work with the ECM removed, and even the barrel map sensors are down there. It's not running perfectly, but the system is running without any codes or anything, so I think the ECM's okay. I'm going to install it. Now, the last time it was a real pain. I think the right answer is to come in here and take these screws out and remove the insert so that I can reach inside and work on the bracket. So now with that insert out of there, with just those two screws, that wasn't too bad. I should be able to get in here and we'll get the ECM back up in there, because the screws are, the screw holes are up there. So we'll see what we can do here. This bracket I unbolted from the, I guess that's the air conditioning heater box. But now, since I have this opened up, I'm going to take that bracket off and mount it back where it belongs. So that bracket is mounted like that, with the two screws mounted down below here. So now I should be able to lift the ECM up into place. So then that made it a whole lot easier. So then I could lift the ECM up and get that nut installed, and now it's basically in place, but there's still a bottom bracket to install, so it's just hanging there. Then I have the other bracket on the bottom of the ECM now, with the two nuts attached here, and this ground strap that went on this one. And then the attaching points, here's one here, one at the other end. These go up above, and this one's got a spot right here above the top, and that one feels like it does, although I can't. It almost feels like it needs a speed nut or something. Have to take a better look at that. And I've got that hose reattached here to the top of the map sensor, and then this pair goes up in there, straight up in, and gets bolted down. And I'm pretty sure that this one matches up with this one, with the other part of the bracket on the ECM. All right, so I got her back in finally, and I wasn't sure whether this bracket, whether the ECM went over the top or underneath of the bracket for the map sensor. It looked to me with the rubber bushings that it probably ought to go on top, so it went on that way. And then I got the other one tightened down. There's one over here by the light up above. That there was a screw there, and like I say, the other one here, ground strap hooked up. Looks pretty darn good. I still have to get the under trim on, but at least now it's back in on its brackets, and it's back in on its brackets and in place, and I can now put the glove box liner back in. The only other thing I was a little bit worried about was this hose back here. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that hose wouldn't pull too hard on that back connection. And I think I got it. The ECM's now snug in place. I'll put the glove box together, and then that'll be it for right now. And I looked, and I can't get ignition parts for a few days. I got to order them and get them in. So next time. I got the ECM back up into the dash, and that was a major project. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now.